sweet, warm, floral, and woody. Menthol is antibacterial, antimicrobial, and has antioxidants. It has a pine and lemon scent. Near Lidol is sedative and relaxing. It can smell woody.
See, which is exactly why I like to get these wild hemp naturals, because they don't do too much to counteract any other terpenes that are available in your medicine. So if you actually are smoking out there, that's why I get the wild hemp naturals, because you dig, they let you taste the weed and all its flavors. So that way it makes it easier for you to identify which ones you're actually uh, 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 consuming at that point in time. Shouts out to how you consume, because terps is gonna be the things that are talking to you.
Fresh and bark like. Valerian reduces pain sensitivity and boosts energy levels. It has a herbaceous, woody, minty, and mildly citrusy smell. Pinene is neuroproductive, anti-inflammatory, and antimicrobial, and has a Christmas tree-like scent. Valencine is anti-allergenic, anti-inflammatory, and has a sweet citrusy scent. This is why there are thousands or even tens of thousands of different cannabis strains, all with their own unique effects. Because combining these terpenes in different amounts alters the way your body will react with each individual strain.
Now we would like to get into how cannabis is created in the modern age. The three main types of growing cannabis are outdoor, greenhouse, and indoor cultivation. Cannabis is an annual flowering plant, meaning it spreads seeds in the fall, which then germinate in the spring, grow out into veg in summer, and flower in the fall to produce seeds before the plant expires in the winter. Sensimilia, which is a term you may have heard of, simply means virgin plant, or for our purposes, unseeded bud. The best cannabis will always be sensimilia, because in the plant's life cycle, if it goes without pollination, the plant will put in energy into producing larger flowers and more resin glands, which increase the potency and smell of the buds. If the plant does become pollinated, it will start to produce less resin glands and spend more time nurturing seeds so it can reproduce. Outdoor cultivation utilizes the natural climate for your area, relying on the sun for energy, and often utilizes the natural growing media of the area or the soil. Typically, with outdoor cultivation, you have plants in the ground depending on your environment. You may also have scheduled water times and feed them extra fertilizer depending on the amounts of nutrients in the soil. There are many types of greenhouse cultivation, ranging from simplistic hoop houses, which are designed to be a small step up from outdoor cultivation, simply sheltering the plants from the elements such as rain, snow, or wind. Most sophisticated greenhouses utilize many facets of indoor cultivation, while still using the most potent light source available to us, the sun.
And then you gotta go check them both out on multiple
How you
channels, because we
produce
get
the
around.
highest quality marijuana overall. This is because in an indoor facility, you are completely in control of the elements. The highest quality indoor facilities will control the lighting, humidity, temperature, wind flow, as well as the precise amount of water and nutrients given to the plants. Some growing techniques will even increase the speed at which the plants may absorb water and nutrients, furthering along the plant's development. They will grow, and during flowering time, they will produce larger trichome-rich buds. Typically, all
Now, what's funny about what he just said about controlling the environment, it's one of those companies that I have already recommended for y'all. Shouts out to the recommendations. Those people on Buy Me a Coffee know who we talk about. Was how to build up your business credit. Because, since your boy actually got an LLC and actually putting in that work as far as the business and the company, some things are legal, some things are illegal. But, we started a legal company because guess what? Just being an indoor garden consultant's good enough for me. But anyways, one of the things we did come up with was a lighting company. Shouts out to a lighting company that helps you build your business credit, which is actually for the industrial side. Because I know a lot of y'all be looking at that like, man, what the fuck is Paul talking about? Even you spend minimum $500 just to set up an account. Well, that's why I said it's for the business side, because we did our homework on it, and on the business side, yeah, $500 ain't gonna be nothing buying lights from a good lighting company. You dig? So you definitely want to have the established credit line with that same company, because you spent that 500 once, and then now you can go ahead and place the order for for the whole facility. You dig? You want to test out their lights in the tent? Yeah, spend about $500 on them. Then next thing since you did that, now you can come back, order for the whole center that you needed lighting for. You dig? But we ain't gonna talk too much about being smart. They don't want to know that type of stuff